Hello friends, today we are going to study a most important topic from your examination point of view, and the topic is consumer equilibrium in case of double commodities or multiple commodities, we can say. In the last lecture already we have seen consumer equilibrium in case of single commodity. Means when a consumer expend his income only one commodity, then we have seen the in the last lecture. Okay, go and watch the video in class 12 economics playlist, under the economics playlist. Okay, so if you want to understand in the case of single commodity, both topic are too much important from your examination point of view. So my dear students, please understand very concentratedly to this topic. Okay, my dear students. So come here and see what we will study in the case of double commodity. The topic is consumer equilibrium in case of double commodity. Okay, my dear students, in last class, which conditions already we have satisfied? There were two conditions. This was the second condition, and what about the first condition? So first condition was what? The first condition was what? MUX is equal to PX. Getting MUX is equal to PX is equal to marginal utility of money, or MUX is equal to PX. We can say we have satisfied to these conditions. Okay, and in today's lecture we are going to satisfy this condition. What the condition is? First of all, we have to understand marginal utility of X upon PX, marginal utility of Y upon PY is equal to marginal utility of money, MUM. Getting all right? So we will satisfy these conditions in the case of double commodities. Getting over. So first of all, if in this questions comes in 6 marks, how we will define? Okay, my dear students, the first of all we will give definitions as it is in the first case, whatever we have given the definitions, and as it is the same, this is the same definition. Okay, so what is the definition exactly? See here, consumer equilibrium. What? Consumer equilibrium is a situation or condition, conditions where consumer will get maximum satisfaction with his or limited income. Means एक कंज्यूमर जो उसकी लिमिटेड इनकम एक बहुत निश्चित अमाउंट है, बहुत डेफिनेट अमाउंट है, वो उस डेफिनेट अमाउंट को कहाँ एक्सपेंड करके कहाँ वो फुली सेटिस्फाई होता है, यही मेरा कंज्यूमर इक्विलिब्रियम पॉइंट हो. ठीक है, तो वो सिंगल केस कमोडिटी. डबल केस में भी यही है. मीन्स कैसा कॉम्बिनेशन हम बनाएंगे, किस कॉम्बिनेशन पे वो पूरी की पूरी इनकम जो एक्सपेंड किया जा रहा है कंज्यूमर के द्वारा वो फुली सेटिस्फाई हो जा रही है, इसी चीज को हमको देखना है. तो मेरा डेफिनेशन क्या है? अगेन, कंज्यूमर इक्विलिब्रियम इज अ सिचुएशन कंडीशन वेयर कंज्यूमर विल गेट मैक्सिमम सेटिस्फैक्शन what with his or limited income. Getting? Okay. Second thing, what will be first thing? Condition. Second thing is condition. The condition is that MUX by PX is equal to MY by PY is equal to MUM. We have to satisfy this condition in the case of double commodity. Getting? Third point में हम क्या देंगे? Example. Okay. How we will give example? See here. There are various units. There are 6 units. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. Okay. And suppose the total income of a consumer is ₹40. What I have written here? Let's suppose the total income of a consumer. You have to suppose in the example. Okay. Anything you can suppose. Okay. Let's suppose total income of the consumer is ₹40. मीन्स जो कंज्यूमर है वो 40 रुपए की उसकी इनकम है. ओके, अब हमको ये देखना है कंज्यूमर इस 40 रुपए को कैसे खर्च करता है, किन किन कमोडिटीज पे क्या कॉम्बिनेशन बनता है, और जो कॉम्बिनेशन बनेगा वही कंज्यूमर इक्विलिब्रियम पॉइंट हो। आपको समझ में आ रहा होगा? ओके, अब देखते हैं क्या वो कंडीशन बनता है। सपोज दो कमोडिटी है, एक एक्स है और दूसरा वाई है। फर्स्ट कमोडिटी इज एक्स एंड सेकेंड वन इज वाई। ओके, दो कमोडिटी है एक्स और वाई। एक्स की वैल्यू है कितनी? 5 रुपीज पर यूनिट, और वाई की वैल्यू है 10 रुपीज पर यूनिट। गेटिंग होगा? एक्स की वैल्यू कितनी है? 5 रुपए और पर यूनिट, और वाई की वैल्यू है 10 रुपीज पर यूनिट। यहां पे दो कमोडिटी का हम एनालिसिस कर रहे हैं। अब देखिए, हम पहली कमोडिटी 1 2 3 4 5 6 these all are the commodity। अब हम बात करते हैं एक्स की पहली कमोडिटी। When the consumer takes the first unit of the x commodity of the commodity x, then he is getting the satisfaction is 50. What he is getting? 50. See here, you can see here. In the case of second, 45, 40, 35, and in the commodity, when he takes the commodity number 6, he is getting 25. Okay, we will calculate the per unit marginal utility. Per unit means MUX by PX, marginal utility of x by PX. Means we will divide from the rupees price. Okay, per unit divide by marginal utility. Sorry, divide by price to marginal utility. So definition we will do this. MUX by PX, price of the commodity means 5 rupees. Okay, so 50 by 5, 45 by 5. So what we are seeing? 10, 9 per unit commodity, per marginal utility per unit of commodity means 48, 7, 6 and 5. Getting? Means we have get what in the case of x, MUX by PX 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Okay, same as it is same we will do in the case of second y, commodity y. From the first commodity of y we are getting 80, from the second unit 70, third unit 60, fourth unit 50, fifth unit 40 and sixth unit 30. So we will calculate the per unit price of the y commodity y 10 rupees per unit. We will divide 82, divide by 10, divide by 10, divide by 10, 10. Okay, we will divide. Then what we are getting? 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. 10 5s are 50, 10 4s are 40 and 10 3s are 30. Okay, so we have calculated 10 MUX by PX and MUX by MUY by PY. Getting, my dear friends? So in the explanations we have to plot a diagram. Okay, my dear friends, we can see here what this table has been plotted on this diagram, and from this diagram we will see where the consumer spend rupees 40 and what unit of x and what unit of y he is taking. मतलब कहने का मतलब है कि हम इस टेबल के थ्रू तो हम कैलकुलेट जान रहे हैं कहाँ है, लेकिन हम इसको थोड़ा सा और सिंप्लीफाई करने के लिए हम इसको क्या बनाएंगे? इसका डायग्राम प्लॉट करेंगे। डायग्राम बहुत मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग है इकोनॉमिक्स में, आपको जानना होगा, सीखना होगा। अक्सर बच्चे डायग्राम के कारण बहुत घबराते हैं, तो आप सीख लीजिए कैसे बनाएंगे डायग्राम। डायग्राम आपको आना ही चाहिए, विदाउट डायग्राम यू विल गेट नथिंग। गेटिंग ऑर्डर? सो व्हाट आई एम सेइंग, सी हियर द टोटल ऑफ द कंज्यूमर इज 40 and we are calculating consumer equilibrium in case of double commodities. So we will plot y-axis, x-axis and z-axis. Getting? On this y-axis we will calculate MUX by PX, MUY by PY on this, Okay, and on x-axis we will assume quantity of the commodity. Getting? So we will write as a 1 2 3 4 6 1 2 3 4 6 quantity, and MUX by PY or MUY by PY both on this line. Getting over? So see here, on first unit of commodity, the consumer is taking what? 10. In the case of X, see here, on the first unit of commodity, the marginal per unit marginal utility is 10. What? 10. First unit 10. See here, if we match, then like this. Okay. In the case of X, second 9, 8, third 8, when third 8, see here, third 8, fourth 7, fifth 6, sixth 5, fourth 7, this one, fourth 7, 5, 6 unit, and 6 this fourth unit. 6, we are getting 5 units, sorry, 6, 5. In the case of X, so okay, as it is, we will plot the diagram for Y, MUY 876543. In the case of first unit, consumer is getting 8. In the case of first unit, consumer is getting 8. The first unit, in the case of Y, what? Consumer is getting here 8. Okay, 2, 7, 2, 7. Second unit 7, 7. Third unit 6, 6. Here. Fourth unit 5. Fourth unit 5. Sorry. Fourth unit 5. This one. Fourth unit 5. 5th unit 6. 5th unit 6. And 6th unit 5. And 6th unit 5. This one. 6th unit, sorry, 3. 6th unit 3. 6th unit, you can see here, 6th unit 3. So we will plot the diagram MUY by PY, MUX by PX on according to the table, and after that we will match what? We will match all the lines, all the points from in a row. So all these points I have matched, and this line will be called as MUX, and second one is MUY. See here, I have matched this line. Okay, my dear friend. And then we will calculate first condition. The first condition MUX, okay, into PX plus MUY plus PY. We will match the conditions. Okay, see here. On which condition this condition will fulfill? MUX by PX, MUY by PY, and MUM. Means where we are expending 40 rupees overall. So see here, in the case of when we are getting 7, when we are getting what? 7 utility on 2 quantity of the commodity, getting the price of 2 commodities, see here, sorry, this one is the MUX, clearly we have to write, otherwise confusion will take place. First line is MUX, means the for X and second one is for the Y. So it should be very clear. Okay. When we take the 4 commodity of X, 4 quantity of X means 4 quantity means 4 quantity into price per unit 5 plus MUI, where MUI is here, and 2 quantity of Y, 2 quantity into 10 per unit means 20 plus 20 40. So what we are seeing, this point in the case of X and in the case of X, or in this is the Y. Okay, this will be the equilibrium point. So what we will do? Consumer equilibrium in the case of X, or consumer equilibrium in the case of Y. In the case of X and in the case of Y. Getting over? So consumer is getting 4 quantity of X and 2 quantity of Y, then he has to spend rupees 40 in both the cases, means 20 and 20 we are getting, and consumer is spending rupees 40. Okay, my dear students. So for result purpose I have directly calculated, okay, from here, but you have to satisfy all the conditions. See here, from first unit we will check 10 units, 10 rupees, and we are getting 1 commodity. 1 into 10 in the first condition, 1 into 10 plus 1 into 8, 1 into 8, Y X. The total number should be, the total sum of total should be 40. Is it coming? No. So first condition is not satisfying. Here not satisfying. Second unit, 9 into 10, 2 into 9 plus 2 into 9, 2 into 7, 2 into 7. 18 plus 14, how much? 32. 40 is coming? No. 18, 32. आना कितना चाहिए था? 40. आ रहा है? नहीं आ रहा है. सो नहीं सेटिस्फाई करा, कंडीशन नंबर सेकंड भी नहीं सेटिस्फाई करा. थर्ड, 40, 3 यूनिट 84, 24, और इस तरह 18, 24, 18, 32, ये भी सेटिस्फाई नहीं कर रहा. चौथा यूनिट 7 चौके 28, 7 4 28, ओके. एंड फिफ्थ केस में 4 into 5 48 हो जा रहा है. फिफ्थ यूनिट में 6 5 into 6 30 and 5 into 4 25. 6 into 5 30, 6 into 3 48. So we will calculate on which stage the consumer is satisfying in his his or her unlimited income. मतलब इस 40 रुपए में ऐसा कौन सा ऐसा पॉइंट होगा जहां पे कंज्यूमर सेटिस्फाई हो जाएगा. इस डायग्राम के थ्रू हम देख सकते हैं क्या, जब कंज्यूमर X की 4 क्वांटिटी और Y की 2 क्वांटिटी को यूज करेगा तो वहां पे कंज्यूमर मैक्सिमम सेटिस्फेक्शन पाएगा, क्योंकि उसके पास इनकम कितना है? 40 रुपए. आप देखते हैं 5 into 4 अगेन और 10 into 2 मीन्स 20 plus 20 is coming 40. So by this way we will explain all these diagram, okay, and if you have any problem then you can ask. This is the explanation, and again we will do all the cases, we will match all the cases. Okay, my dear student. So this way we will explain. It's a very important questions to this important questions. Okay, if you have any problem, then you can ask in comments. Okay, my dear students, for today, thank you very much.